Welcome to Kenny. Today we have 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee V8. The heat making noise, the heater coats, most likely it's gonna be a blow motor making noise. So I'm gonna show you guys. So most of the vehicle, the heater coat will be on the right side. So the blow motor gonna be right side. Right now we're gonna put it on. There you go. The noise coming out right here is 3 screws. You see when you put the heater on? One motor. Got a new one. We're gonna replace this. It's 3 screws. You can use a screwdriver or 8mm. Okay, this is the old one. I took it out. See, sometimes it's making noise. A lot of leaves here. You can clean it, but it seems this one's clean. So it's 90%. The blow motor is gone. So it's so simple. Most of cars is same thing, you know. Depend. Some of them have more screws. This is 3 screws. Right here. 1, 2, 3. And it comes like this. You can use 8mm wrench or screwdriver. So I use a screwdriver. It's easier. And this is the new one in the box. We'll replace it. Okay, it's so important when any parts you replace, just match it with the new one. So I did match it. So the harness, there's 2 wire harness and 3 bolts, everything same. And I just put it in. This is the old one. Bye bye. This is no good anymore. And this one right here, you see, this is the new one in. Is 3 bolts. So like I said, you can make some room for yourself. See the green wire? When you remove it, just push this wire back with your hand or with a screwdriver. So the harness right here. So just gotta collect the harness. It's in. Everything is in. Now time to check it out. Stay with us. No, stay with me. I'm by myself today. Okay, now we're gonna check it out. So first of all, turn the key on. So already coming on, the blow motor on. See? There you go. No more that noise, clicking noise. Smooth. So if you hear any voice from your heater box, or when you turn the key on, or the blow motor, the fan, so the heat on, making crazy noise, don't scare. Don't be scared. It's gonna be something with the blow motor, you know. It's normal wear and tear, you know. This car is 2002. I'm sure is, you know, time to do, because maybe they replaced it before, but this time is now smooth. I'm sure my friend or the customer will be happy, as it's not expensive fix. And also be sure, and what do you call it? This is, see, work all the so low level, medium, high. If you have only one speed, the blow motor work only one speed, high speed, that means it's not the blow motor. That means it's a blow motor resistor. And I will show you guys why I'm here. Every vehicle have the same thing. This is the blow motor resistor. That's how it's gonna come, blow motor resistor. if your heat work in one speed. So let me shut this off. So if your heat work in one speed, only high, this is, you can replace the blow motor resistor. Every vehicle have this. It's gonna locate it somewhere around here. Keep watching. And I like to share something else. This is the part number for this vehicle. The parts called heater blow motor, and this is the part number, and every price is different, and I'm sure if you go for a dealer is a lot of money. If you have a shop, of course you're gonna get discounts. So this is gonna be no good no more. Bye bye. Bad blow motor making too much noise. Bye bye. And this is going to the trash. Okay, I gotta put the, and this one is no cover either, so simple, you know. I just took this out. Let's see, this plastic, I took it out right here. So it's right here. Let's go, that's it. And thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for everyone. Like I said, you can do this repair with any vehicle, you know, Toyota, Honda, any car is same thing. You just go to the right side of the vehicle. So passenger front is gonna be located right here. See where's my feet? It's gonna be right here. Most of them is 3 screws, or just like maybe some of them is only clicks. And screw is easy to do, really easy. Just need a couple tools, most likely screwdriver, flips, flathead, and 8mm. And this one is only screwdriver. Don't be scared when you put your heat on making noise. First of all, take it out, clean it. If there's any dust, any leaf there, then put it back. If it's still making noise, then replace it. And the parts called blow motor. I hope this is helpful, and please subscribe and leave comment down below. If you have any question, I will be more than happy to help. Thank you. And we're gonna start the vehicle. See, there you go. So this car is all set. Now I move it out. See, it's all the snow. It's too cold. Just want to make sure the heat is good for the customer. Gonna leave the vehicle on for a while. Okay, so let's check this. Every job we should just check it, make sure it's good after. So the blow motor is working. It's got a lot of power. Now we're gonna put in the heat. Like 75. Just gonna leave it for a couple of minutes. Just make sure I gotta get good heat. Car still cold, very cold, so make sure we gotta get heat. Oh, I just forgot. Let me check on that Jeep. I left it for 5 minutes. Let's check it out. Wow, nice and hot. So happy my customer will be so happy have a heat. Again, thank you very much to watching my channel. I'm trying to share this with everyone. If I can help, I'll be more than happy.